Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you have an amazing day. It's Thursday, September 1st, 2022. It's around 1 p.m. and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across Bagaya Road in Yangon Township, Yangon, Myanmar. Let's walk. This township is approximately 8 kilometers far from downtown Yangon. You can come here by bus number 61. Bus fare is 300 kyat. This is one of the busiest road in Yangon city. There are lots of vehicles and taxis here. As you can see over there, that is GMP Mall.
No?
On the right side, that is Yangon Plaza. There is a fitness gym also. White cloudy sky now. People are taking street foods here. This is a bus stop. People are getting ride into the bus. As you can see, people are waiting for the bus here. The left side, this is a small park in this neighborhood. That is a flyover. This is a nice small park. There are lots of green trees surrounded this park. This is a nice place for walking and jogging. Over there, that is Dragon Center 2. That is a shopping mall. There are some gym equipments for physical exercise. The road is neat and clean. On the left side, this is a clothing store. Various kinds of t-shirts are available here. These are some t-shirts. This one how much? Oh, 7,000 kyat. So this t-shirt price is 7,000. It's made in? Made in?
Small medium.
Small. Small. Okay. Made in?
Medium.
Vietnam. Made in.
Medium.
India. Okay, medium size. Also 7,000. Okay. This is new arrival. What's this? This is Shonchong Township. On the left side, this is a neighborhood at Shonchong Township. As you can see over there, that is City Mart supermarket. You can get all kinds of dairy necessary products here. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.